I think that's shocking because every time you're actually on the field, and I'm a huge cricket follower, I've followed everything. So when you're on the field, it seems like you're almost calculating an IPL, right? So how are you keeping it cool on and off? Like how's the balance for you?
When I'm off in the sense, I don't think a lot about cricket. I'm only playing IPL as of now, so it's slightly tough in the sense I have to keep myself fit for 9 months so that I can play 2.5 months of IPL. So you need to plan it out, but at the same time, chill a bit. I've played international cricket for quite long, so you want to spend time with your family, with your parents. I have a lot of pets, so get a chance to play with them. So I've kept it very simple. I'll train for 15-20 days, 25 days, then I take off for 15-20 days. So it really helps me be in the groove. I can enjoy the food that I want to eat. Once I start training, I follow a good diet. I won't say an excellent diet. So that's what keeps me busy. And in between, we have a few endorsement works and everything. So that helps. And I've been watching a lot of cricket. When I was playing, I used to watch less, but now that I'm not playing international cricket, every time there's a game going on, and I love to sit and watch, unless the result is decided. A lot of times in T20 and 50 overs, what we have seen is, right after the 10th, 12th over, what are the chances of happening, in the game. So other than that, I've been a keen watcher.